Let's renovate my home office together. So the first thing that I did is that I did a really quick sketch. The main purpose of this renovation is not because of decorating or of making it nice. Well, it's part of it. But the main part is that when I work, I like to use notebooks, highlighters. Sometimes I like to print things so I can read it well or work properly. So and also, I like to keep my things really organized because otherwise I can concentrate. So as you can see on the sketch that I'm working on, I prioritize creating more storage and to have things to make me store my things, to help me improve my work style. So I'm gonna add some shelves, maybe a whiteboard on the back, and some things to help me organize all that mess that you see on my desk right now. I went to the showers and bought the first thing, which was the shelves. Something really important to consider, as you could see on the design as well, is that my desk is a stand-up desk, so and I mostly like to work standing up. So whatever I put in the wall needs to be above that to respect the height of my desk and also my desk lamp, which is really important. Apart from that desk lamp, I also want to add some lights because now it looks okay, but when it gets dark, especially on winter, I can't see properly. I always end up with headache because like there's poor light. First of all, I take into consideration the height of the desk and the lamp, and then I mark the wall with where I wanted to put it. A really good trick that I use when I want to hang things to the wall is that I use a tape and put it on the whatever I want to hang, and then I draw where the holes are, so it's easier for me then to like it avoids to make mistake. It's more accurate for me. So I paste it on the wall on the average height that I want before adding the other frame. So now I'm adding the other frame to make the holes on the frame that will be holding the shelves. While making the holes on the wall, something really curious happened to me is that I thought that the whole wall was drywall, and yes, I know there's a machine, a tool that can help you with that, which I will be buying soon, and I will leave you the link on the description of the machine that I'm considering buying, so this doesn't happen to me again. So the thing is that it has like 2 centimeters or so of some kind of drywall or something, and then you have the concrete part, and as you can see, the anchor couldn't enter. Basically, I couldn't hang a shelf in there, so I had to go shopping new anchors. So as we were running out of anchors and screws, now I'm here at Home Depot looking for screws and anchors and new ones so I can put everything on the wall. So come, let's go to shopping. So back in the game, we found the new anchors and some new screws, and we're gonna use this, and we're hoping that this actually work. We also asked someone for second opinion, and they said that this could work, but we're gonna trust on this one. So I'm continue adding the rest of the screw, putting the frame so I can add the table on there. Well, I ended up asking for some help to add this on the walls. So yeah, we have 2 tables. Sorry for not recording the other part. My camera was running out of batteries, but basically we had to change a little bit the design because we found some problems on the way. But I think I'm liking it more. I have the large shelf a little bit higher, and the second one that is on the other wall, it's a little bit low, which makes like a really interesting mood, like some dynamic of the space. And now we're gonna add the second small one, which initially I wanted it to be a little bit to the left, close to the window, but because of some structure situation that we also find on that wall, we have to place right below to the other one. We're gonna continue adding this one and continue with the rest of the decor. Always after putting anything on the wall, even though you measure or you check the level before, it's good to double check after it's already done. So we check and yes, we're good to go. That's the last one. And I have another large table which we're gonna add later on, but for the moment these are the main ones we are adding to this space, and we can celebrate because we're almost done with this decoration. I ordered also some things to help me organize the space even better and to decorate those shelves. After we added the lights, these lights I bought them on Amazon. They are under shelf desk light, which are really nice and easy to install. It's exactly what I wanted, and it's helping me to have the corner illuminated. And here's where my happy ending fade away. So you remember the wall that I was having troubles because of the anchors and the screws and everything? So apparently we didn't buy the right anchors for it. So the shelf was leaning to the front. It wasn't falling, but we were pretty much sure that it wasn't safe to leave it there. So we needed to take it out and buy some more things. So I guess you have to stay tuned for part 2 when we actually finish this home office renovation. So subscribe and ring the bell if you're not subscribed so you can see when the next part is up. Bye bye. Thank you.